All right, students, welcome to section 3.6. Yes, now that your website has a beautiful foundation and a beautiful design through your team, it is time to give your website power. Yes, when I say power, I mean power to make your website look the way you want it to be. Team control appearance, plugins control the functionality of your website. So in this section, by the special grace of God, I'll teach you what plugins are, what or why you need them, and the types of plugins every website must have. And at the end of the day, I'm going to show you how to install them the correct way without damaging your site speed, because your site speed is very important. So to start with, just like we did when we are talking about theme, what are these things called plugins? What do we mean when we say plugins in the designing or development of a website? So a plugin is a small software you install on your WordPress website to add new features to your website. I like to call it tools. Okay, so think of plugins like your mobile app that you install on your phone. Okay, you install WhatsApp for the purpose of communication. You install Instagram for the purpose of pictures and reels, and you install Facebook on the same phone for the purpose of social and networking. Same things applies to your plugin. Yes, for every plugin that you install, they have a purpose. Okay, plugin help your website to collect funds. It helps your website to improve speed. It helps your website to increase security. It equally creates online shop in your website. The same plugin had a social media icon, like it builds contact pages, optimize SEO, add image sliders, add backups, add block hackers, accept payments, and build landing pages. Okay, one thing about plugin is it turns your website, your simple website, into a powerful tools. Okay, and why are they very important in our website? I'm going to share some points with you for you to know why it is critical, very important for you to have them. Number one, plugins makes your website more functional. Two, more secure. Three, more professional. Four, more user-friendly, and at the same time, more optimized for Google. So without plugin, your website is just a plain empty structure. Yes, that's what it is. Plugins bring your website to life. It brings it to life. Like I used to tell my student, with WordPress, anything is achievable. It is achievable with the aid of tools called plugins. Now let's now talk about types of plugins you will encounter in the journey of your WordPress web development. I think I have them into three segments. I have essential plugins. These are plugins that every website must have. Every website, and they include security plugins, SEO plugins, backup plugins, cache plugins, and contact form plugins. Yes, all these are essential. Then also we have the second one, which I call utility plugins. This one, what do they do? They add convenience or design features to your website, like page builders, image sliders, social icon, social share icon, table of contact, custom widget, and so on and so forth. Then the last one, these are major featured plugins. Okay, major feature plugins. These are used for bigger functionalities like WooCommerce. When you want your website to be an online store, then you need WooCommerce. When you are talking about tutor elements for courses like Empower to Acquire, membership plugin, we have payment gateway plugin, and so on and so forth. Now, essential plugins we will install in this scholarship that are very, very important for this scholarship program. What I'll just try as much as possible to do is I'll keep these things very simple and effective and uniform all round for every one of us, so that there will not be back and front, especially for some of us who may not be gifted in the area of tech. Number one, we have Elementor as our page builder. Elementor help you design page easily. Then we take for our SEO, I will encourage that we have rank maps for the SEO. This one, what do they do? It will help your website appear on Google. What is the purpose of having a website and it cannot be seen on the internet? So rank math will help your website appear on Google. Then three, which is C, WordPress security. Yes, like a security guard. They are there to protect your site from hackers. Then we have Updraft. I use Updraft Plus well. So I will encourage us to have it. This help you to back up your website in case of any eventualities. Then we have WP Super Cache, or you can go with Lightspeed Cache. This one will improve your site speed. It is there to improve your site speed. And lastly, we are going to install contact form 7. This one is for creating simple contact pages. So these plugins that I've mentioned, they are free, they are lightweight, and are very, very, very perfect for beginners. But one thing I need to warn you before we round up this class is don't install too many plugins. Installing too many plugins on your website, what do they do? They slow your website down, okay? They slow it down. They even put your website at risk. Yes, they put it at risk. They put it into conflict with each other. So as a rule of thumb and as a form of encouragement for every one of us that are in this program, I want to encourage you to keep your plugins between 10 and 15 at the maximum. Okay, between 10 and 15 is perfect, and it is helpful for your website to be able to function well and to load fast. So without wasting our time, I will ask you, join me as we look at the practical or live demonstration of how to install plugins and activate them for the purpose of functionality in our website. I want to believe that we are seeing changes in our website gradually, but with time you get there and you see the result of why you are in this scholarship program. So join me as you go online. God bless you.
Yes. We want to look at the live demonstration of how we can install plugin. I told us plugins are for functionality on our website. For everything you want to achieve on your website, anything, just think about it, there is a plugin for it. Now, in preparation for the next class, I want us to install at least one plugin that will be useful for us in the coming days or in the next class. So let's go to our dashboard. Okay. There's my dashboard. Okay. Let me just come to Dashboard Direct. So the plugin I want us to install, which I will encourage all of us to install now, is first let's go to our plugin. Immediately after appearance, you see plugins. See plugins. So click on install plugins first. Let's see how many plugins we have that is functional on our website. For now, we only have one that is functional. It's only one. Hello Dolly is there, but we have not activated it. Akismet is there, we have not activated it. The only one that is activated is Elementor Page Builder. That's all. Now, I want us to just install just one plugin, just for us to have the understanding of how we install a plugin. So come to the plugin where we are already, where we say we have all this. Yes, and for the purpose of the class, I want you to follow me step by step and to understand some importance. If this one is here and is not activated till now, that means it is not useful in this website. So let me just delete it. Hello, Dolly. I don't want it. Then Akismet spam protection is not part of my plan. I'll remove it. Okay. All right. Elementor is key. It's very, very important for me to have in my website because that is a tool I use in building the pages of my website. Okay. That is the tool you use in building your room in your online house. Now, just click on add plugin. You click on add plugin. If you click on add plugin, then it takes you to this place. It takes you to this place. And when it takes you to this place, you just search for the particular plugin you are looking for. Now, for the purpose of this class, I want us to search for starter template, starter template. Okay. I want us to all search for starter template and make sure we install it. Okay. This is starter template. Okay. Let's wait for it. I think it is installed. Installed. Okay. Just waiting for its activation. So let's activate it.